Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create inventory products in QuickBooks Online. This is essential for tracking what you sell, managing your pricing, and keeping accurate records for invoicing and reporting. Let's start by heading over to the left navigation menu in QuickBooks Online. Once you're there, click on Sales. This section is where you'll manage everything related to your products, services, and customer transactions. It's the hub for all your selling activities. From the Sales menu, select the Products and Services tab. This is where QuickBooks stores your entire catalog of items you offer to customers. You'll see any products or services you've already added listed here. Now, to add a new item, click the New button located at the top right. This opens up the creation window where you'll define what you're selling. Next, you'll need to choose the product type. QuickBooks gives you options like non-inventory or service, depending on what you're adding. If you're selling something you don't physically stock or track quantities for, choose non-inventory. If you're offering a service like consulting or design work, select Service. This choice determines how QuickBooks handles the item in your reports and transactions. After selecting your type, it's time to enter a name for your product or service. In the Name field, make it clear and recognizable so you can easily find it later when creating invoices. If you track SKU numbers for inventory management, you can optionally enter one here. You also have the option to upload an image, which can be helpful for visual reference. Now select a category from the drop-down menu that best describes what you're offering. Categories help you organize your products and services, making reporting and filtering much easier down the line. In the Description on Sales Forms field, type a description that your customers will see on their invoices or sales receipts. This should be clear and professional since it's customer-facing. Explain exactly what they're purchasing. Next, enter a sales price rate for the item. This is the amount you'll charge customers. If your pricing varies depending on the job or customer, you can leave this blank and fill it in manually each time you create an invoice. From the Income Account dropdown, select the account where you want to track sales revenue for this product or service. This ensures your financial reports accurately reflect where your income is coming from. Finally, click Save and Close to finish adding your product or service. It's now available to use on any invoice, sales receipt, or estimate you create in QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.